Alright, it's a bit windy. Making our way out to this point here. We got New York City dead ahead. It's like 5:30. First fish of the day. Feels like a porgy. Feels like a porgy. Certainly feels like it. It's a snagged porgy. Oh shit.
Imagine the tiniest porgy on that thing.
Little porgy. I got a small fluke on here. Whoa, I take it back. This might be a nice fluke here. Yo! I think I got a keeper. Holy shit. I think I got my second keeper of the summer, bro. Dude, this is definitely a keeper. I just got a keeper. Oh yeah. I don't know what's with Fluke, dude. They're bipolar. They don't fight all the time. Let's get the hook out of them. Oh yeah, this looks definitely 20 inches. Dude, how nice is this fluke? Look at this. Right over there, buddy. Go get one. Woo! Oh man, you know when they're keepers because they just, you feel that weight. Yo. Woo! Yeah. Holy shit, that's a nice one. I'm measuring them. Hang on. I hope he doesn't flop out as I'm measuring him though. Dude, he's bigger than the board. He's bigger than the board. Over 19. He's 20. He's 20. Same size as my last one. All right, brother.
Oh, that's dinner right there, dude.
Dude, Fluker nuts. He went right into your kayak. Wow, he was ready to go. Thank God. I thought it was torching him. I got a little snapper. Oh no, it's a little striper. Got a baby striper. Buddy. Yep. Schoolie. Just a little schoolie. It's bigger than I thought it was. Yeah. Oh my God, that was right on the freaking drop. Got another striper. There's like a whole school of them right here. Whew. Striper! There's a whole school of them right here. They're tiny. Nice. Oh, easy, buddy, easy. You're beaten. I've bested you. Now, if you want to go back in, just calm down a second. Wow. That's what I didn't want you to do. The striper is on crack. Okay. Jesus. Getting a little bigger. Whew. Let's see, buddy. A little blitz here. Look at that, it's peanut bunker. That's what it is. You see the flashes? It's peanut bunker. Look at that. That's like a million peanut bunker. You see that? Yeah, I'm right in front of them. Look at them, look at them. They're right under me now. I want to say we got a porgy here, or it could be a bluefish. Oh, it's a striper, baby. We got a school of stripers. Yo, striper school, come here. The Mackinaw Shad, baby. I love it. I freaking love this soft plastic so much. I caught a keeper fluke on it today. Schoolie striper, just like the other one. You can catch him. See ya, bud. Another small striper, it feels like. There's like a whole school of them here. Man, that was literally right on the drop of the cast. We actually got to work this guy in. Most of the other ones were pretty close to the boat. Yeah, that's a striper. It rhymes with wiper. It rhymes with wiper. It's a striper. It's a striper. I'm telling you, bro, there's a whole school of them right here. Make a cast. I caught like 5 of these today. No, it's another striper. Jesus. Try pulling me into the water, this guy. Alright. I'm spending too much time trying to whip him. Getting a little worried this hook might be getting dull, all the snags I was doing, but really I'm just snagging on vegetation, so I'm not too worried. It's hooked weird, man. There we go. A little more of a belly on this guy. See ya. Alright, how the hell am I gonna get this thing out now? Oh, it's an albie. Gotta fight the current while I pull this thing out. Yo, holy fuck. It's pretty much gonna be it for today. I'm trolling back, so if we get anything, I'll turn the camera on. There was a bit of other action today that I didn't really get on camera. It was just some porgies. I was getting them on deadly decks, just kind of dropping the deadlies to the bottom, reeling them up. The porgies would hit them on the way up. It's kind of interesting. Never caught porgies that way until today. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. We got a keeper-sized fluke. That was pretty awesome. Got a bunch of stripers. I think like 4 or 5, maybe 6. Schoolie sized, and 1 snapper off camera, and a couple of porgy. So I mean, yeah, not bad. It was a good day. Had fun. Gorgeous weather. Looks like the wind stopped completely, and it's not too hot. This morning it was in like the 50s, which was awesome. I don't know where all the bunker went, man, but it's been a little harder to find bluefish lately. Maybe they moved further east, I don't know.